In the realm of written expression, the narrative unfolds with a construction magnate commissioning Israelevitz Architects to craft a distinctive abode. Departing from conventional two-story structures, the architects, Dan and Hila Israelevitz, embark on a journey to seamlessly integrate their creation with the natural topography. The resulting ultramodern marvel, akin to a museum, challenges the norms of residential design. The living quarters, strategically positioned at ground and street levels, emanate an air of mystery when viewed from the settlement. A surreal architecture, characterized by a rectangular box transitioning into a suspended entity, coupled with trellises and dynamic natural light interplay, renders the residence a living, ever-changing entity. Privacy considerations lead to the shrouding of facades facing neighbors with Burmese teak trellises, while expansive window openings unveil panoramic views of a pristine nature reserve. Concrete levitates, adorned with varied apertures, act as an integrated pergola, allowing measured sunlight to filter through. The entrance plaza, resembling a patio, welcomes with reflective pools housing mature Italian poplar trees. These trees, besides serving as a scenic backdrop, act as a natural privacy screen, intensifying the surreal ambience. The foyer floor, akin to entering a ship's belly, houses a fitness center and home theater. A striking staircase, encased by a raw stone wall and stainless steel cable banister, provides a visually engaging ascent. The living floor, accessed through a glass wall, unfolds with granite porcelain tiles, a kitchen featuring wood veneer-clad cabinets, and a library doubling as a power wall. The dining area boasts a Carrara stone table and a monumental brass light fixture. Fluted Corian slabs envelop a distinctive cube housing bathrooms and guest toilets, with the lighting scheme mirroring the architectural composition. The master bedroom, a symphony of dramatic hues, features granite porcelain slabs in the bathroom, a Corian-clad cabinet, and a natural stone-draped wall behind the bed. This opulent and unique living narrative represents a departure from convention, a testament to the architect's commitment to surreal and soul-stirring design.